So I'm finding half the battle is finding a place to record. This morning, I have a lovely back patio. I chose the back patio to record. My neighbor chose this morning to mow the lawn. I think I'm going to set up in the basement where it's pretty quiet. I will have to use artificial light, unfortunately, but then I don't have lawnmower in the background, or kittens in the background, or children in the background. We'll get an intro video done soon.